Hi there, this is Kathleen Baber with Apricot Tree Planning, and I wanted to show you guys a really quick plan with me. This is a 2-page kit called Rain, 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 and it's in my shop. And I love these 2-page kits because I use a ton of washi then. And since I seem to collect a ton of washi, it's good to use it. I also use a little Mambi stencil just for the to-do list. And I always like to put those across the top. And then I put any of my time blocking or calendar items then on the very bottom. It works for me this way because I've done it this way for a long time. My eye knows exactly where to go when I'm looking for certain information. I don't change it up very often because I just think once something works for you, you should kind of maybe keep it that way. But anyway, that's just my philosophy. I hope you like this little photo kit. I don't do photos very often, but I think this one is darling. And it's bright and cheerful even though it's rainy, because rainy in Ohio is dark and dreary. So this one kind of makes me smile a little bit even if I'm having to deal with gray week in real life. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous week.